Dear students, I am going to start our next lesson, the ailing planet, the green movement's role. In this planet, ailing planet means, as its name, ailing means sick, not well. So the writer has called our planet, our Earth, ailing, because Earth is not feeling well, or Earth is not fit these days to live, or Earth is not well. Earth has become sick because of different problems such as pollution, global warming, deforestation, and rapid growth of the population. So because of all these problems, Earth is not feeling well. So this is the title of the lesson, and in this lesson the writer has told us. Now I am going to tell you the summary of the lesson. The summary is this, that the writer is going to tell us why our Earth has become sick, and it has become sick because of the senseless human activities, because human beings have become greedy. No doubt Earth is having everything, and to satisfy the need of everyone, but when the person become greedy, problem are created. So Earth has everything to satisfy the need, but not the greed. And man is called the most dangerous animal in this lesson, because man is doing senseless activities such as cutting the trees, and disturbing the ecosystem, and disturbing the marine life, or disturbing all the four biological system of the earth, like fisheries, forest, and grassland, and croplands. And whenever the human beings are becoming greedy, they are going to disturb the nature. They are doing senseless development or unsustainable development. So the basically the writer just wants to tell us that human beings must be very careful while dealing with the earth, and while dealing with the development. No doubt they have the right to have the development, but at the same time they must understand that we have to save this earth for our coming generation, and we have not got this earth in heredity, so we have no right to use this completely. This is our duty to save it for our coming children. We have not inherited this earth from our forefathers, we have borrowed it from our children. This is the famous line spoken by Mr. Lester Brown. So the writer just wants to draw our attention to the problems of the earth, and basically all the problems are created because main reason of all these problem is rapid growth of population, because population is growing day by day. So we have to cut the trees, and we need all the things, like we need more water, more houses, more medical facilities, means all things we need in extra, because of the growth of the rapid growth of population. So that is why the writer just wants to say that we have to be very attentive if we want to make our earth fit and fine, and this is our duty to make our earth beautiful and suitable for everyone, and we have to conserve this, we have to protect this for our coming generation. So this is the summary of the lesson.